It began on the streets of South Bohan.
That's right.
It's taken over the world. This is the home of hip-hop. The Beat 102.7.
Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be sanding down Mr2. We haven't been sanding down at all. That's our fault. But we do need to start sanding down because we've only done the hood and that's it. We need to sand this whole car. This car is it's not that big, but we still need to do a lot of sanding as of now because we haven't done it, and I want to do something before summer ends. So let's start sanding. Oh, your car got wet. Really? Yeah, a little bit. By the way, you won't believe it, but it actually rained like this morning. Like it literally rained, and I don't even know. We were all excited because we love rain. But it rained in California. Can you believe it? What? So I actually started sanding down the car recently. So right here you can see like some light scuffs of where I sanded down. I started doing the door, we finished the hood, and one of the tail light, or one of the headlights, the pop-ups, which is that one. We still need to do the other one. So I'm gonna start sanding down this side. Well, I'm gonna try my best to see if I can do a big portion for today. This video is mainly gonna be an ASMR, like sanding down video. Why? Because I want to sand like pieces little by little, so I'm gonna record like a piece of, like, let's say today, like the door, and then like another time once I'm done with the door, do the side skirts, quarter panel, trunk, the roof, whichever one. I want to record a bit of that, so then later on in the future I could do like a little montage of this whole car being sand off, and then obviously taking it to paint. That's why I'm doing this. So I'm gonna sand this whole door, not the whole door. It's gonna take obviously like probably more than like a day or two. So I'm just gonna start there and enjoy the video. Now you should be wearing a respirator for this, but I don't have one, so I'm just gonna use your regular COVID mask. I wasn't gonna wear a mask, but yeah, I'm gonna double mask it. You should probably wear gloves too. I mean, protection for your eyes. I have the mask on backwards. Oh, if you're curious of what grit I'm using using 80 grit. And it's by 3M2 in case you're interested or you want the brand. Oh, by the way, if you haven't followed me on TikTok, go right ahead. Follow me on Instagram too. I'm gonna do a TikTok too. And I try to keep the content like different. That way, like if you're from YouTube, it's like different content. And then if you're from TikTok, like it's all different content. It's not the same content like used. So every content, I can't breathe. Every content in the platform is different. Sneak peek, sneak peek. Enjoy your build. Alright, that's enough. Go follow me on in TikTok. The username and everything's gonna be down in the description. Now you're probably wondering, why don't you just use like a DA with the 6-inch sander? It would be a lot faster, but you basically have more control with your hand and sandpaper instead of the DA, because the DA just goes on by itself, and sometimes the DA will leave like pigtail marks and you're gonna mess up like the metal of the car. So it's a lot better to just use sandpaper and like a block instead of a DA. I know it's gonna take a long time to sand this whole car, but it's gonna be worth that at the end. I know I said this would be an ASMR video, but I'm talking. There's a low spot right here. Oh, this is a workout on your shoulders. Fuck, the tripod's getting all dust. I knew this would happen. Oh, let me show you. what I meant last time by there having, bro, it looks so weird. By there having like a different color paint. Oh, that's a lot of dust. Look, watch. See how it's like green on the inside? That's the OEM paint from the dealer. And then here we have the new paint that was painted on. Looks a lot cleaner than this one. Just a little thought I would show you. But you can't even see that.